Rahim, President, Federation of Pakistan Chambers of Commerce and Industries, Mr. Atif Akram Sheikh Saab, Group Leaders FPCCI, Dr. Gohar Ejaz, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum. Now let's talk business. तकरी छोड़ें, धंधे की बात करें. It will only be a fool who will think that we can give you electricity at X rate, give you interest at 22% and expect you to even hold on to your industries. So I totally agree with Gohar Ejaz. This should be brought back. I will try with the government. I can only ask them. But nowhere in the world, last time around when I was president, Gohar and myself sat down and brought it down to what, 7%?
9%.
To 9%. In a one-day discussion, I called the finance minister, finance secretary, the chairman of the state bank, everybody, and we decided. I said, this is it. इससे उठना नहीं है हमने. बड़ा शोर करते रहे, but I didn't agree with them. Basically, they represent some people who happen to be taking in your currency, making money over it, and then not even giving you returns. So this is a whole game, and games are played in every part of the world. I can't say that this game is only played in Pakistan. All the wars of the world are games. All the things that are happening in the world are games. Basically, it's one kind of industry against the second kind of industry and the third kind of industry, and the casualty is humanity. But nobody bothers. Humanity is the least thought of, spoken of. And as far as Pakistan is concerned, when we first came in with Gohar Sahab and everybody, I told them then, our stock exchange was at 9,000. People didn't understand what it means to have this stock exchange and have it there. Abhi, you were telling me that somebody lodged his stocks and they were oversubscribed by 20 times. So this is the route I want all of you to take. This is the route I want the Gujarat fans to take. I want to have a specific meeting with them. We want to do financing for you from Sindh. We'll give you cheap electricity, cheap, no cost land, and we give you only everything you need without any interest or without anything, because I know the potential you have for A, my stock tomorrow, B, your export, C, the amount of people you will employ. Because this is a manual job. Most of these things are given to smaller farmers of industries which are making them at home and making sure that they get to you. So I'm looking for these kind of industries to overrate my humanity, to bring up my people and give them more to circulate. If they have more in their pockets, the more they will spend. And the more they spend, that comes into circulation. Running a country is not like running a business. It's totally different. We have to think of all sorts of things and all the ways to make sure that you all can do better for yourself, so it's better for me. More taxes, more everything. I can spend on the provinces, I can spend on the federation only if business is doing well. If the business is shut, agar फैसलाबाद की 150 इंडस्ट्री बंद पड़ी है, तो लास्ट टाइम अराउंड बाकायदा झगड़ा हो रहा था with my party in Punjab because everybody was abusing us. We were giving Faisalabad electricity a little less cost and totally we wouldn't break it. There will be no breakage. There would be no stoppage of electricity. And people started taking advantage of me politically, trying to say that I am purposefully giving an advantage to the Faisalabad industries. I was. But my interest was export. And sure enough, in our times, in 5 years, 4 years, where things were bad, there was war in the borders, I did SWAT, I did all sorts of actions of Afghanistan, we had all sorts of problems going on. In spite of that, our exports increased twice at least, if not more, in that 4 years, 4.5 years. Because last 4.5 years, so you know, you're going and somebody else is coming, so the bureaucracy remembers and starts working in a different manner. So, sure enough, but I want you to adopt your own stock exchange. Wherever I can help you, why not? I'll help you. I will give you hydel energy which is cost-free, practically cost-free. So let's sit, let's talk, and let's get up to business. Let's take up 4-5 industries and just take them as our lead industries and help them help ourselves. So thank you, gentlemen. Thank you for keeping this honorable ceremony here. Very kind of you. हमारे यहाँ कहते हैं कि जो आते हैं मेहमान, आने वालों का एहसान होता है. सो आप मेरे मेहमान हैं. अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह. वेरी काइंड. थैंक यू. पाकिस्तान पाइंदाबाद.